Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have another part to my scrapbooking made simple orders that I bought from the June warehouse sale. So let me show you this other package that I arrived. I've had it for a little while, been under the weather, so I haven't did any videos lately, but I'm starting to feel a little bit better. So yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, some stuff I'm going to show first is some of the sprinkles that I was able to get. This is a small little order, but it's still some good stuff. So the first thing I want to show you is the sprinkles, which is the pink and white. Look at that, little candy sprinkles. How nice is that? I love the pink. Love the pink and white. Then I also got orange. This one has orange, black, and white. I got this more for Halloween. That, so the doodads. I think these were like 90 cents or $1. This one here is the purple one. That one. Now she will be having another sale, I believe, at the end of December. She'll have it. I will be posting in the community tab, so you'll know when she has it. And then look at this one. This one's the silver pearls. How pretty is that? That one also. Another one is some orange. Now a lot of these were, when I went to check out, they're already sold out on some of these. Look at this one. The silver. See that? That is pretty. I love these colors. Then got a yellow. Real nice. And then I also got some of these ones here. And like I said, these were also on sale too. I got a green one. And then I got an orange. You can tell I was thinking about Halloween. Oh, look at this one. That's beautiful. That one. Oh, look at this one. The blue. Light blue, dark blue. Then I also got the black. The gray. Real nice. Love it. Now the last little things I would like to show are the dies and stamps that I also have. These are for the Gemini. So this one says, and I've got my glasses. Oh, this one has a sentiment that says celebrate. Actually, it shows right here. Celebrate. And these weren't bad prices. I thought they were like one something. And then this one is Happy Mother's Day sentiment. So I also got that one. And this one, with love always and all my love. See, two different ones. That was another one. And then this is a friend's sentiment. I believe it's a friend sentiment. I think it's a few different ones, but other sentiments. Got that one also. And then a little bit of stamps I have. I did get this mixed media looking stamp from Woodware. And it does come with a little sentiment. Nice as that. I got this vintage key. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And then I did also get some sentiments. And these. Okay, this is the Christmas one. You get those sentiments. Yeah. The stamp, clear stamp set, yeah. You get those sentiments on there. And the last one I have is another one. Well, these are more sentiments and they're already boxed out. So this one will be easy fussy cutting. Look at that. And yeah, that's it for my little scrapbooking make simple June warehouse sale that I bought from that sale. I think I might have one more, but I'm not sure I'm gonna order or not. I have to look. She will be doing another sale in December, I believe. I will put that in my community tab so you know when that happens, because this is actually great prices on all of this stuff. And yeah, leave a comment below, like the video. Don't forget to hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.